Hi, this is Pictory AI's website where you can make your videos, and the address is pictory.ai. This is the front page, and there are drop-down lists of who uses Pictory, features, academy, pricing, and login. Let's log into Pictory AI. So after login to your account, Pictory AI will show you 4 different sections where you can use these 4 different sections for different purposes. The first one is script to video. Here you can type your scripts or copy and paste your scripts from somewhere else, and Pictory will make videos based on these scripts for you. And this is recommended for educational videos, historical videos, coaching videos, and videos which are based on step-by-step guides. The second one is article to video. Here you can just copy and paste an external URL, and you will see Pictory will make a video for you based on that link. And this is recommended for blogs, press releases, and any HTML article. For example, a researcher can copy and paste URL of his paper, and Pictory will make a video based on that paper. The third one is edit videos using text. Here you can upload videos from different sources. Whether if you have made your own webinar, own video, then you can upload it here. And this is recommended for adding subtitles, cutting portions of your video, creating video highlights, adding logos, intro and outro. So here you can remove your filler words, silences, pauses based on scripts, and you can download the transcripts in these sections. The fourth one is visual to video. Here you can upload files from your computer. File means any video or pictures, and Pictory will make a video for you. And this is recommended for creating short videos using your existing images and video clips. So you can upload here your images and video clips, and Pictory will make you a new video for you. And in the next sections I will show these 4 sections in details. Thank you.